In this short video I will describe Make Money from Content Locking CPA step-by-step course. In this course you will learn only one specific method of online earning. This is Content Locking CPA. Because Content Locking CPA is the very easiest way make money from online. This course main goal is you can earn minimum $1,500 to $3,000 every month. This course will give you complete guidance step by step. This course price is $20 but you will get $25 in this course from my referral link. So you will get this course completely free. Every day 2 hours is more than enough for Content Locking CPA. Within 1 week you can complete this course. After complete this course, you can start earning. No need any experience. Everything you will learn in this course. Content is most important for Content Locking CPA. So how to create content, how to promote your content, how to send unlimited targeted traffic and how to get unlimited lead, all everything you will learn in this course. So if you are interested to make money online, this is the right course for you. Who is the target audience for this course? Anyone who want to make money from Content Locking CPA. Anyone who want to make money from online. Who want to set up online business. Who want to start earning from online within 1 week. Who want to learn one specific method for make money online.